Hi, I am S. Arokia, Assistant Professor, St.Joseph College for Women, Tirupur. Today I am going to explain about overview of Java. The topics covered under overview of Java are Introduction, Simple Java Program, Java Program Structure, Java Tokens, Java Statements, and Implementing a Java Program. Introduction. Java is a general purpose object oriented programming language. We can develop two types of Java program: standalone applications and web applets. Standalone applications are programs written in Java to carry out certain tasks on a standalone local computer. Java can be used to develop programs for all kinds of application. Executing a standalone Java program involves two steps: compiling source code into bytecode using Javac, executing the bytecode using Java interpreter. Web applets. Applets are small programs developed for internet applications. Applets are developed for simple animated graphics. Creating and running applets are more complex than creating an application. In this figure, Java source code is sent to Java compiler. If it is applet type, Java enabled browser is used to produce output. If it is application type, Java interpreter is used to produce the output. Simple Java program. Here is an example. Class sample1. Class is a keyword, sample1 is a Java identifier, and class sample1 is class declaration. Next line is opening brace. Next one is main line, public static void main string arguments. Next line is the output line, system.out.println. Then closing brace. Class declaration declares a class, and Java is a true object oriented program, so everything must be in a class. In the example, class is a keyword and sample1 is Java identifier. Opening brace. Every class in Java begins with the opening brace and ends with the closing brace. The main line, public static, defines the main method. Every Java standalone application includes the main method, and it is the starting point for the interpreter to execute the program. A Java application has number of classes and only main is important. Java applets does not use main method. The main line contains number of keywords known as access specifier: public, static, and void. Public makes it accessible to all other classes. Static belongs to entire class. Void does not return any value. The output line, system.out.println. Java is better than C++. Similar to printf and cout in C and C++. It is a member of out object. Println prints the output on a new line, and every Java program must end with a semicolon. Comments. Two types of comments, that is single line and multi-line. Java program structure. The general structure of a Java program: documentation section, package statement, import statement, interface statements, class definitions, and the main method class. The document section is suggested and the main method is very important. Other statements are optional. Documentation section. Documentation section comprises set of comment lines giving the name of the program, the author and other details. Comments must be explained what, why and how does the algorithm work. Comments are used for generation documentation. Package statement. This is the first statement. Declare the package informs the compiler that the classes defined belong to this package. Example, package student, and package statement is optional. Import statement. After package, there may be number of import statements similar to hash include statement in C. Example, import student.test. Interface statement. Interface statement is like a class but include group of method declaration. It is optional, used in multiple inheritance. Class definition. Classes are essential elements of Java program. The number of classes used depends on the complexity of the problem. Main method class. It is essential part, creates objects and establishes communications between them. Java tokens. Java program is a collection of tokens, white spaces and comments. Java language include 5 types of tokens: reserved keywords, identifiers, literals, operators and separators. Keywords. Keywords are essential part of Java language definition. It reserves 50 keywords. Keywords are combined with operators, separators, etc. Keywords have specific meaning and we cannot use it as variables, classes and methods. Identifiers. Identifiers are program designed tokens. Rules for identifiers. They can have alphabets, digits, underscore and dollar sign. They must not begin with a digit. Uppercase and lowercase letters are distinct. They can be of any length. Literals. Literals in Java is a sequence of characters that represent constants. 5 major types of literals: integer literals, floating point literals, character literals, string literals and boolean literals. Operators. An operator is a symbol that takes one or more arguments and operates on them to produce a result. Separators. Used to indicate where groups of code are divided into and arranged. Defines the shape and function of our code. Java statements. The statements in Java are like sentences in natural languages. A statement is an executable combination of tokens ending with a semicolon. Statements are executed in sequence order. Implementing a Java program. There are 3 steps to implement a Java program: creating the program, compiling the program, running the program. Creating the program. We can create a program using any text editor. After creating, save the program and ensure the file name properly. All the Java source file will have the extension .java. If program contains multiple classes, the file name must be the class containing the main method. Compiling the program. After developing the program, we have to compile. That is done in the command prompt. The Java compiler creates a file called test.class containing the bytecodes of the program. Afterwards, a .class file is created. Running the program, we use the Java interpreter to run a standalone program. At the command prompt, type Java test. The interpreter looks for the main method in the program and begin execution. Java Virtual Machine. All language compilers translate source code into machine code for specific computer. Java compiler produces an intermediate code known as bytecode for a machine that does not exist. This machine is called Java Virtual Machine and it exists only inside the computer memory. The process of compiling a Java program into bytecode is also referred to as virtual machine code. Process of compilation. Java program, that is the source code, is compiled using the Java compiler. A virtual machine is produced, that is bytecode. That bytecode is again converted into machine code by using Java interpreter. Thank you.